Have you ever wondered what a real mobile home looks like? Let me show you this trailer container house. So the whole unit is built on a trailer base. That means you can tow it anywhere. Job sites, campsites, farms, even remote areas. No foundation needed, just parked and used. Inside, everything is already prepared. You can add bed, cabinet, a small dining area, anything you want. It is basically a tiny house on wheels. It also supports a full bathroom system, shower, toilet, sink, but of course air conditioning are all available. Plus there's a freshwater tank and a waste tank so you can easily lift or lift. And the best part, you can customize the size, layout and materials, walls, floors, windows, everything. We build it based on your project or lifestyle need. If you need a mobile office, a campsite cabin, or a mobile living unit, this trailer container house is the perfect choice. Follow my channel for more product information.